happening, children? How are you all? Hope you all are good and safe at your home and not troubling your parents. Are you troubling them? You should not trouble your parents, and you should help them as they are helping you in your this homework and online videos. So you should also help them, okay? And you are studying or not? You should study, because you know in the month of July you are having your online exams, so it's better to be prepared. Okay, now let's start today's class, and in today we will continue the same chapter, that is chapter number 5. Does it look the same? We will continue the same chapter. So in the previous video we studied about mirror images and the symmetrical images. Mirror images and symmetrical images. We studied that when two images look exactly same, when a center line, a mirror line is drawn in between them, they are known as symmetrical images or mirror images of each other. Now today we will study that when we rotate some images, when we rotate some objects, does they look same or not? Today we will study about this thing. Okay, now if I'll say this marker, okay, now if I'll rotate this marker, is this same? Is this same the previous one? No, because the previous one was like this, it was vertically, and now when I rotated it like this, it is horizontally, so they are not same. If I'll again rotate it, is it same? No. Is it same now? No, it is not same. Now is it same again? Yes, it is first same as the first one, so they are same now. So today we'll study about same objects, that when object looks same and when object does not look the same. So rotation can be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Clockwise means as a clock moves. How a needles of a clock move? The needles of a clock moves in clockwise direction. Like this means they move like this. Yes or no? They always move like this. So this is what, this is clockwise direction. And what is anti-clockwise means? Opposite to what a clock moves. So anti-clockwise direction will be like this. Okay, so clockwise direction is this one. When when we will rotate something in the clockwise direction, that will be a clockwise, and when we will rotate opposite in this direction, it will be anti-clock. Clockwise means like this, and anti-clock means like this. So clockwise and anti-clockwise are two types of rotations. Okay, so as you can see this image here, we will rotate this image. First of all, we will rotate it clockwise. So clockwise means like this we will rotate. Okay, so let's try to rotate this, like, see. So this direction is known as clockwise direction. Okay, and when we will rotate it like this, so it is anti-clockwise. This rotation is known as anti-clockwise. So clockwise and anti-clockwise are the two types of rotations. Okay, so today we will talk about clockwise direction. We will rotate the objects in the clockwise direction. Okay, clockwise direction is clear. When we will rotate objects as the clock moves like this, in this direction, when we will object anything in the clockwise direction, like the clock move, it will be a clockwise direction, and other one will be a anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so let's move. Now here you can see we can rotate objects into clockwise or anti-clockwise direction according to the angles also. Here you can see we have rotated these figures according to the angle. This is 90-degree angle, this is 180-degree angle rotation, and this is 360-degree rotation. As you can see in this duster, if I'll take this point, this black head, as the starting point, okay, 0-degree angle, so if I'll rotate it 90 degrees, so it will come this side, like this it will come, or 1/4 direction, 1/4, as we have studied in chapter number 2, that this 1/4 means 90 degree. 1/4 rotation means 90-degree rotation. So if I'll rotate this as 1/4 or 90 degrees, so it will come like this. So the duster will look like this, and this point has came here. So this rotation is 90-degree rotation, or we can say 1/4 rotation. Now starting point was here. Starting point was on the top. Now it has rotated how much? 1/4, or we can say 90-degree. Now here it is 90, and again here it will be 90. 90 and 90 is 180. So earlier this point was on the top, now it has come to bottom. So this rotation is how much? This is 180-degree rotation, or we can say half rotation, because it has traveled half distance. This is half, so it has traveled half distance. So this rotation is known as half rotation or 180-degree rotation. Okay, now if I'll rotate it again 90 more, it will be 70-degree. 90 more rotation will be 70-degree, and again this is how much? 360-degree rotation. So 360-degree rotation means complete rotation. This is a complete rotation. So here you can see that we can rotate these objects according 90, 180, 9, this is 0, this is 90, this is 180, this is 270, and this is again complete. This point, the black point, has came to its original position, that is 0-degree or 360-degree rotation. This is a complete rotation. Okay, now we will see this. Now let's see the case of a windmill. As you can see, this windmill, we will see how it looks on half 1/4 rotation, half rotation, 3/4 rotation, and full rotation. So let's take this black point as the static point. So first of all, we will rotate it 1/4, or we can say 90 degrees. So it is 0-degree. Let's take this 0-degree. So 90-degree angle will be here, 90-degree will be here, and half 180-degree will be here, and 270 will be here, and 360 again will be here. So first of all, we will rotate is this 90-degree in clockwise direction. Clockwise means like this, and anti-clockwise means like this. So we will rotate it clockwise. So let's rotate it clockwise. So this is 90-degree angle, or we can say 1/4 rotation. So is this figure looking same? Is this windmill looking same? Yes, this windmill is looking same as the previous one. Now let's rotate it half, or we can say 180 degrees. So 180 degrees here, and half rotation is also here. So let's rotate it. Is it same? Yes, it is exactly the same. Now let's rotate it 3/4, that is here, or we can say 270-degree angle. So let's rotate it again. So is it same? Yes, it is same. Now let's rotate it 360-degree angle, or we can say complete angle. Is it same? Yes, it is again same. So the first one and the last images are same. We can say it is showing the rotational symmetry on 90-degree, 180-degree, 270-degree, and 360-degree. Means in all the, it is showing this rotational symmetry. In these diagrams also, you can see this windmill is showing all the rotational symmetry. This is 90-degree rotation, this is 180-degree rotation, this is 270-degree rotation, and this is again 360-degree rotation. And you can see all the images are same, all the windmills are looking same. So means this windmill is showing the rotational symmetry, but it will not show any line symmetry. Can you see any line symmetry in this? Means if I'll cut it like this in horizontal and vertical both the ways, if I'll cut this windmill horizontally, so are they same? No, the both parts are different. And similarly, if I'll draw a vertical line, are this part and this part same? No, they are not same. So means this windmill is not showing the line symmetry, but it is showing the rotational symmetry. Now let's see some more figures that will show, or no, we have to tell that these figures are showing rotational symmetry or not. Means they are showing on 1/4 turn, are they showing rotational symmetry or not? We have to tell. This is in your book, page number 78. It is there, you can see it is on page number 78. You have to tell that are these figure same after half turn or not. So we will do them one by one. So first one is the square, as you can see in your book, page number 78 in NCERT books, page number 78. So first figure is the square. As you can see this square, so first of all we will turn it half. We will turn it half. Half means how much? 180-degree angle. So we will turn it half and we will see that are they looking same or not. So first of all, how we will rotate? We will rotate them clockwise. So clockwise means like a clock moves. So let's try to rotate it. So let's rotate it. Now it is how much? 90, 180. So we have to rotate it how much? 180. So are these figures same? You can see it was the beginning point. As you can see here, it was the beginning point here, and where the end point is? End point is here. End point has came here. Now are they same? Just look at the two figures carefully. Are they same? Yes, they are same. So this square or square show the rotational symmetry of 180-degree. Yes or no? Yes, it shows. Now let's see the other figures. Here you can see the second figure is the rectangle. You can see that both the rectangles are same. Now we will rotate the rectangle to 180-degree. We will rotate one rectangle to 180-degree. That will be a clockwise rotation. So we will rotate it to a 180-degree angle. So let's move it 180-degree. It is 360, 70, 80. 180-degree angle. So are they same? Yes, both the figures are same. As their origin is different, but they are same. As you can see, its starting point is here, and in the second one the starting point is below, is here, but they are exactly same. Means the rectangle also show the half rotation or rotational symmetry of 180-degree. Let's take the other image. Next one is the circle. As you can see, are both the circles same? Yes, both the circles are same. So let's move the other circle to an angle of 180-degree. We will rotate it clockwise. Yes. So let's try to rotate this. As you can see, 70, 80, 90, 120, 125, 135, and this is how much? 180. Are they same? Yes, they are same, exactly same. So what about this one? Are they same? Yes, both they are same. Its origin point is above and its origin point is below. So are they same? Yes, they are same. Means circle is also shows the rotational symmetry of 180-degree, or means on rotating a circle by half it looks the same. Next figure is a rectangle again. Now in this rectangle you can say this one and this one are same. Okay, now we will rotate the next one to the 180-degree angle. So let's rotate it 180-degree. It is 184, 180-degree. So are they same? Its origin point is above. Here you can see it started from here, and here you can see it is downwards. So are they same? Yes, they are exactly same. Can you see? Can you compare them? They are exactly same. So rectangle, as we have studied earlier also, that rectangles show rotational symmetry of half or 180-degree. Now let's see these triangles. Are these triangles looking same? Yes, these triangles are looking exactly same. So are they showing this rotational symmetry? We will see. See, you can see they are similar. So we will rotate this figure to 180-degree. So let's rotate this 180-degree. So it is 180-degree. So are they same? Are they same? Just look at them. No, they are not same. As you can see, they are not looking same because you can see the vertex here, and but here there is no vertex. Vertex is below, so they are not same, because in one triangle, vertex is on the top, and in the other one, what vertex is here below. So they are not same, means triangle is not showing the rotational symmetry of half, means 180 degree. It is not showing 180 degree rotational symmetry. Now here you can see the hexagon. So will hexagon show the rotational symmetry or not? Just tell. Let's guess. Will it show or not? You have guessed? Okay, just let's check. Okay, so we will rotate it to the half. So it will be 180 degree rotation. Are they same? What was your answer? Yes or no? Yes, they are exactly same. Means hexagon is also showing the rotational symmetry. Hexagon have how many sides? 6 sides. Okay, very good. Let's move to the next figure. This is a pentagon having 5 sides. Will it show a rotational symmetry or not? Just guess. You guess and we'll check the answer. Guessed? Okay, let's check. Now we will rotate it to 180 degree. So let's rotate, and this is how much? 180 degree. Are they same? No, they are not same. What was your answer? Yes or no? They will not show rotational symmetry. As you can see, these figures are totally different. Here the peak is down and here the peak is above. Vertex is above and here the vertex is below. So they are not same. So pentagon is not showing the half rotational symmetry or symmetry of 180 degree. Now on the next page you can see you have some on page number 80. In your NCERT books you can see this page number 80. So on this page number 80 you have to complete this. You have to tell, are these figures show 180 degree rotational symmetry or not? Means when you will rotate this figure to 180 degree or half rotation when you will do, so will these figures look same or not? Okay, so you can't rotate these images. So what you will do, you will what you have to guess, you have to think that in your mind. Means if you're having problem, you can do it like this. This is a straight one. I'll show you how you have to do. You will just take the book and this is the starting point. Okay, now when you have to rotate it 90 degree, you will rotate your book like this. You have to rotate your book like this. So this is 90 degree rotation. Then again you will rotate, so it will be 180 degree rotation. So you can check whether it is looking at this previous one or not. This is 3/4 rotation or 70 degree rotation, and again this is complete rotation or 360 degree rotation. Means what you have to do, just you have to rotate your book and you can easily find out that whether a image is looking like the previous one or not. Means this is the book, this is 90 degree rotation, this is 180 degree rotation, this is 270 degree rotation, and again this is 360 or complete rotation. Like this you can see whether the images are looking same or not, or if you don't want to rotate you can do that in your mind also. Okay, so this all you have to do, this you will do in your books. Okay, till then let's do this one. Now this one is for you. So first of all I'll rotate it. How much? 180 degree I have to rotate. If this is the starting point, so let's rotate it 180 degrees. So this is 180 degree. So are they same? Yes, this flower is exactly the same as the previous one. Can you see this one and this one, are they same? Yes, they are exactly same. Similarly you have to rotate other images also. Okay, so now watch the video again if you have any doubt and try to do others in your book. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Sai Ram.